This is what I call the power of one. Basically, it's called the power of one. One person. So each one of you can make a difference. Always remember that. And it's never too late. Whatever your age is, you are a person who has been bestowed with a lot of potentials and qualities from God. They just need to be discovered. And if you have that courage to take the first step, you'll find out that there are so many other people who are just waiting for that first person, that first drop in the ocean to take its effect. And all of them start gathering around you. So that power of one person must never be underestimated. And you can be that person. It's just a question of shrugging off that inhibition, that hesitancy, that reluctance. And this can be in any matter, in saying the truth, in voicing the concerns of people, in coming forward with the right solution, in asking a question which people might think it's a stupid question. Because you see, all these things are the first steps that only a person who has courage can take. And there are so many people who just don't have the courage to take that first step. But as soon as one person takes that step, the rest of them, they suddenly appear out of nowhere, and you feel as if you are part of a huge chunk of people. So remember that you are a person who could always be a person who could end up igniting these flames, and end up enchanting other people through that just one word, one step forward, and that will make a whole branch of silent minority to be a meaningful majority. Today we are living in a world in which we have a large chunk of silent minority, people who are silent just because they don't have a voice, and they don't have the courage to utter that first voice, to take that first step. So if you are a person who could just muster that courage, and as I said, this could be in any sphere of life. It could be in your family life, it could be in your amongst your friends, in your profession, in sports, in anything. At times, it just needs that first voice, that first step to be taken, and you find so many other people helping you out, coming forward, simply because they didn't have the courage. So show courage as much as you can. Don't get bogged down with this situation. Uh, as I said, adverse currents are meant to make you fly even higher. Take this as a challenge in life. If something is seeming to go wrong, and you'll find out that every new turn which you take is not going to end up, so to speak, in a dead end. It might be that you're passing through a tunnel, at the end of which you'll find new light, new radiance.